How to fix Metamask not opening. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your settings of your device and scroll down, and here you get the option of apps. Simply open it up, but make sure that before you do this particular step, you write down your seed phrase on a piece of paper or somewhere else, because it is quite important. Otherwise, you will end up losing your Metamask account and you will never be able to log into your Metamask again. So it is quite important for you to save your seed phrase before doing this particular step. So after opening up apps, simply select the option of manage apps. Now search for Metamask over here. Then open up Metamask and here click on storage. Then click on the option of clear data. Here click on clear cache memory and it will remove the cache memory of your Metamask. And after that, all the corrupted files will be removed from your Metamask. This way you will be able to open up your Metamask again. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.